Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of creative wooden wine materials. If you love wine and appreciate the beauty of handcrafted wood art, you're in for a treat. From upcycled wine barrels to custom wine racks and charming decor pieces, we'll explore a variety of innovative projects that not only celebrate your passion for wine but also add a unique touch to your home. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, these ideas will inspire you to get creative with wood. So, grab your tools, and let's get started. Wine crates. Repurpose old wine crates into storage solutions, display shelves, or even decorative furniture pieces. They have a rustic charm and can be easily customized. Barrel staves. Use staves from wine barrels to create unique wall art, coat racks, or even furniture. The rich patina of aged wood adds character to any piece. Wooden wine racks. Design and build custom wine racks using various types of wood. Experiment with different shapes and styles to match your decor. Wine bottle holders. Craft creative bottle holders from wood, such as a hanging design or a sculptural piece that doubles as decor. Coasters. Create wooden coasters using slices of wood or reclaimed timber. You can personalize them with engravings or designs related to wine. Wine tasting boards. Make wooden boards for wine tasting events, featuring spaces for glasses and small bites. Personalize them for special occasions. Wooden labels. Design and carve wooden wine labels for your personal collection. This adds a unique touch and enhances the presentation. Serving trays. Craft serving trays from wood that can be used for serving wine and snacks during gatherings. Consider incorporating dividers for glasses and bottles. Wine tasting flight holders. Create wooden holders for wine tasting flights, allowing guests to sample different wines in a stylish manner. Wine gift boxes. Design custom wooden boxes for gifting wine. Include compartments for glasses or accessories to enhance the gift experience. Wine barrel planters. Transform old wine barrels into planters for your garden. They can also serve as stylish outdoor decor. Wine glass holders. Create portable wooden wine glass holders for outdoor events, allowing guests to enjoy their drinks hands-free. Decorative wine stoppers. Craft decorative wine stoppers from wood, adding a personal touch to your wine bottles. Wine aging cabinets. Build a wooden wine aging cabinet for storing bottles at optimal conditions. Combining functionality with beautiful craftsmanship. Wine-themed wall art. Create wall art using wooden wine corks or images of wine-related themes, such as vineyards or bottles. These creative wooden wine materials not only enhance your enjoyment of wine but also allow you to express your artistic side while adding a rustic charm to your home decor. Happy crafting. More creative wooden wine materials. Wine barrel furniture. Barrel tables. Transform the top of a wine barrel into a unique table for outdoor or indoor use. Barrel chairs. Craft comfortable seating from the curved staves of barrels, providing a rustic touch to your space. Wine cork boards. Create a bulletin board or art piece using wine corks arranged in a decorative pattern on a wooden backing. Perfect for a kitchen or wine room. Wine bottle caddies. Design wooden caddies with handles to easily transport bottles to picnics or gatherings. These can be both functional and decorative. Wine-themed signs. Craft personalized wooden signs with wine-related quotes or your own branding for a home bar or wine cellar. Wine glass charms. Use small wooden pieces to create custom wine glass charms that guests can use to identify their glasses at gatherings. Wine infusion kits. Assemble kits using wooden boxes to hold ingredients and instructions for infusing wines, making thoughtful gifts for wine lovers. Wine-themed holiday ornaments, design wooden ornaments shaped like wine bottles, glasses, or grapes for festive decor. Wine barrel wall shelves, build shelves from the staves of wine barrels, providing storage for bottles or display space for wine accessories. Wooden wine aroma kits, create kits with wooden boxes to hold samples of different wine aromas, enhancing the tasting experience. Wine bottle wine racks. Craft a wine rack that holds bottles horizontally, showcasing the labels and allowing for easy access. Wooden wine glass holders for picnics, design portable, adjustable wine glass holders that can be staked into the ground for outdoor events. Wine cork picture frames. Construct picture frames using wine corks for a creative way to display memories related to wine experiences. Wine barrel birdhouses, repurpose wine barrels into unique birdhouses for your garden, combining functionality with rustic charm. Wooden wine-themed games, create games like wooden wine trivia or wine-themed Jenga for fun gatherings with friends. Custom wooden wine labels. Design engraved wooden labels for your home-brewed or gifted wines, adding a unique touch to each bottle. Wine bottle planters, cut and modify wine bottles to create hanging planters, perfect for small herbs or succulents. Wine cork shadow boxes, create shadow boxes filled with wine corks from memorable bottles. Serving as a decorative keepsake, wine-themed wall clocks, craft wall clocks using wood and wine-related designs, merging functionality with artistic expression. Wooden wine tasting tables, build a dedicated wine tasting table with compartments for glasses and bottles, enhancing the tasting experience. Wine barrel cheese boards, create beautiful cheese boards from wine barrel wood, perfect for pairing with your favorite wines. These additional ideas provide even more creative avenues for incorporating wooden elements into your wine experience, allowing you to express your passion for wine through unique and functional art. Enjoy your crafting journey. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through wooden wine materials. We hope you found inspiration in the projects we shared today. Remember, each piece you create not only enhances your wine experience but also reflects your personal style and craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative ideas. We'd love to see your own wooden wine projects, so feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting and cheers!